Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming you have an administrator account. This matters because many fixes need elevated rights. Next, check BitLocker or other encryption. If active, unlock the drive now. Once done, physically reconnect the USB, use a different port and cable, and test the device on another PC. That rules out hardware faults. Finally, open Device Manager and File Explorer to see the device name and any error code so you know what to address next. Now you tackle drivers and permissions. This is the core of most access-denied problems. First, in Device Manager update or uninstall and reinstall USB controllers and the specific disk driver, restart after changes. Then open Disk Management to assign or change a drive letter because Windows sometimes blocks access without one. Make sure to adjust Security tab permissions, add your user, and grant full control. Finally, run system checks, sfc/scano and chkdsk/f, to repair file system errors that can block access. Finish by removing write protection and security blockers. Use diskpart or the registry key write protect to clear a locked state, but be careful. Temporarily disable antivirus and controlled folder access so security software isn't causing denial. If access is restored, re-enable protections and create an exception. If the drive remains inaccessible, use a Linux Live USB or dedicated recovery tool to copy data, then reformat. If that fails, consider professional recovery. Key troubleshooting tip: test on another OS to isolate Windows-specific issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.